here in
very
studio.
Special, Curry. You don't know.
Very, very special.
This internet sensation
Yes.
is known for his intriguing parodies,
Yeah.
vox pops, and riveting countdowns. His comical commentaries are loved by the burritos all over. We'd like to welcome inside the entertainment block, Duttyberry.
Yo, all of a sudden, we get shy.
Right? So, Berry, what one? Long time I see you.
I mean, well, you see me earlier, come there, but like outside of that, I never say that in a minute. I'm doing well. My year start off like, you know, me the kind of sad, me not gonna like. I know everybody excited, me the kind of sad, you know, to begin my year because, you know, you just contemplate and I think about so much things. But then I realized, say, yo, I have so much to be grateful for.
Amen.
Like I've been doing YouTube for like about 10 plus years now. And like, and for still I be in the space because,
Like
you know, you want me to think cause, you know, me take my debut from when Rosie, I am something that, I never think someone is still there now. So I'm very, very grateful and I'm blessed to have the burritos then.
So I know we were talking earlier and you said growing up, you know, you admired me and all these things.
Yeah.
So growing up, this was actually your lifetime dream to pursue a career in this field.
Not necessarily saying that, but I ask for two things because me the group and me have parents who never in a professions where them they actually want for the like them heart actually pull to. And me hear all them say, boy, you know, if me only do this back then, I'm say me no want have the regret there. So I always say I want to do something where I actually get up every day and love. Me do this thing so much to the point where I actually produce a whole entire show. I never know I producing like the countdown. I shoot direct. Put up everything like myself, and I've been doing that for like one man production, you know.
Yeah, that's amazing.
And it's when it done me I realize, so wait.
You did all of this.
I'm doing all of this
Yeah.
because I love it that much. You get me? Yeah.
Alright, so it evolved as you went along, your entertainment ship, I'd like to say.
Yeah.
What's the best comment you've ever received on social media? Like, it just blew your mind, you're like, wow, people really think this of me?
Yeah, so because my self-esteem not so high, so like I frightened for when I get like really good comments or just like boost
Oh,
you.
like for real?
So yeah, come a very, you know, like very shy, insecure, but I only do this because when you have your talent, you have to make your fear go one side and not just say, yo, me gonna do it. Because we're just naturally shy. So it's I'm not thank you. That means
That's
good.
coming from many.
Yo, because that was my vision board, you know, like I said, this year more smell good. Like, actually, that was on my vision board, you know, like them people that them go to them up a cologne and people say, I say, they want to be one of them people that were like, have a scent. I say, yeah. So then it's what I say. Like,
yes. Hold on, Barry, what's the name of the cologne that you're wearing right now, man?
I'm going to reach to say it to my member. I'm going to stick up something for the dresser. Because I realize so when you really about the cologne life, they like, you know the different brands. Me don't know them. I know the scent, but I can't say, yo, this one name Savage, no. I like them. But give me till like July. Give me till July, I'll get there. But like the best comment that I got was like, I think it was just like somebody was like some years ago, and the lady said like her sister like didn't lose like her husband or something like that, and she was just like sad home for like how much weeks, and she said one day while she was like pulling the door for like how much her sister laugh, and so she rushed come in because she like what the box foot is this, and only forgot realized that she was watching one of my videos, and that was the first time that she saw her sister laughing in weeks, and so when she said that, me I like. I know, funny enough, that was a time when they actually stopped the YouTube video because they get one bad comment.
Yeah,
man,
and
feel, but, I
Oh,
quit YouTube for 1 year.
Wow.
Not until self-esteem
The
did
bad
low.
comment, I understand.
So you see, when I saw that, I was just like, yeah man, let me just get back to this now. So that has been like the best comment.
Alright.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah, Dutty.
Before Pep even ask her a question, the people need to understand that it's not even just a self-esteem issue, it's not an insecurity issue. We really have some bullies out there on the internet.
Yeah.
There are some people who just wake up on the wrong side every morning.
Facts.
You know what I say? And just try them very best. It's like them dig down in them toe point. Try them very best to make people feel bad about themselves. So Barry, I'm so happy that you got over that. You work through it. You do your shadow work and you're back and you say, oh idiot. There you say, here you can't stop this.
Barry, remember, we were under the same management in the first part of my career. You understand? But big up Liv Stoosh, big up Firm Elias, big up Tamir Perry. You understand? So from then till now, like what is the most memorable thing that has happened to you? When did you literally like feel like, yo, you know what's the boss?
Yeah.
What was that moment? They say, yo, you know what's the boss? Yeah, I'm that Berry. Like, yeah.
You know, honestly, I really since last year. Like when honestly, it's really when I tell you a lot of things. Like I have, you know what, you want to mess up things when everybody see your greatness and you don't see it. It's like I last year like I literally unlocked. Like I literally didn't see myself as just like nobody. To the point where I never even think I deserve nice things. Right. So even just like having things and jewelry and whatever, like being in certain places, like me look at me and say, yo, I don't even travel because in my mind, me just like, me really one of them people there. Yeah, so it wasn't until like last year one time, like me just say stop. I'm like go through my little videos them, you know, you just go through some stuff. I'm actually read my bio one time. Let me read my bio, me like, read my bio, me like, I mean this? You know, because sometimes you're in this thing, you know, you actually achieve things and you do things. And it's when you stop and you look and you say, wait, them people did really do this and me, I say, whoa. You know, and that is when it really hit me. And me like, you know what, 2023, you know, I need to take up some space. Like, I'm going to be solid liquid and max. I'm solid liquid and gas. That's it.
Right there.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so you always, and you know what I admire about him, you always have something. Always have content and all these things. So I'm saying to you now, Duttyberry, you do it. Like, how do you even find these things? Like, you just always depend on the ball.
You know what? Stay curious. Like, one of the things I'm realizing my distinguishing factor, and I always have to be there. Like, I honestly just like love people. Because once again, as my care, like, team shy and just like insecure, I had all of the friends that were up on the bench. Where, like, the cool kids them, so like, I had friends where, you know, like, they just nerdy, the geeks them, but they have the girlfriend them, the popular boy friend them, the bad man friend them, and funny enough, like, I was just this weird person, all of them would talk to me because they're like, you don't know nobody, you're not going to say nothing. So I ended up like, so like, I would have just kind of be this person now where every time when I see somebody out there, I'm just like, yo, you are content because you remind me of my friends. So it's like, when I see you now, me like, you're probably shy, like people say this and want to kind of get to the human that is beneath that. So like that just make me find content in everything.
So you made a career out of being fast.
Yeah.
I mean, not so fast, you know, but just like seeing people for beyond what is on the surface. That's it.
Dutty, we just want to bless you up and say thank you for coming through, and just to say to you, keep doing what you're doing.
Please.
You are touching.
We love you.
We do love you so much. I love you. I'm such a fan of you. Like when I was living in Japan, I don't know if I
You live in Japan? When?
Yeah, so,
Really?
4 years.
Nobody knew this.
Yeah, I know.
Come on.
I just keep it to myself. It's weird. It's weird. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you all about it, Kareem. But when I was living in Japan, you, Dutty, kept me informed.
You,
Dutty. You me Dutty friend. You kept me informed. My Dutty food friend.
Thanks, honey, B.
Keep doing what you're doing.
Barry, before you go, I wanted to shout out the community where you come from. Because enough people feel like I am uptown. Shout out where you come from.
Yes, I have to go and build up Rollington Town. I go and big up Franklin Town. I have to go and big up Mount View. I move about 20 times in my life. So I have to be coming. And then Boulevard, the whole of Boulevard. So that Washington Garden, Duane Park, Corville Garden, Patrick City. Where else? Manza over Portmore.
We know you love your belly.
Yeah.
Big up your favorite ghetto restaurant right now.
The dumpling shop. You have a dumpling shop. Where them sell like the dumpling and the saltfish. Yeah, man. So that is where dumpling shop.
What part is it?
I can't remember the road.
What are they saying?
Where does it come from? Where Waltham, yes.
Waltham.
Yeah.
Dumpling shop on Waltham. Big up yourself. You heard it from here first, people. That is Duttyberry's eatery of choice. So if you want some fry, and you want when the burritos eat down at Waltham, when you taste the dumpling, you say, Baskaba!
That is it.
I just want to say, hold on. I just want to say something like big up all the owner right here, so. Big up all the owner because honestly, like this is what I talk about, like in terms of young people really taking up space and like showing say, yo, people can do it because I know say enough people never think say, only have like access to certain spaces and doing the thing and they're going to inspire so many.
Thank you so much, Dutty. We appreciate you guys. We're gonna go on a break. Up next is Jamaica in 60 seconds. We'll be right back.